So, general definitions given by the some of the economists regarding this economic development. What is economic development? As per the according to the Colin Clark, an economist, economic development is simply a economic welfare. It is increasing economic welfare. Definitions given by the some of the economists regarding this economic development. So, economic development according to Colin Clark, an economist, Colin Clark, an economist, what is economic development? Simply, according to him, economic development means refers to simply an increase in economic welfare. Okay, as per according to the Colin Clark. So, economic development simply an increase in economic welfare. So, according to Kindleberger, C.P. Kindleberger, what is economic development? According to him, growth means more output. That means growth, economic growth means more output, and economic development implies according to Kindleberger more output and change in the technological and change in the technological and institutional arrangements by which it is produced, Okay. As per according to Kindleberger, what is economic development? Economic growth refers to more output, and economic development implies more output and change in technological and institutional, that means socio-economic changes. Socio-economic or structural changes in the economy. Structural changes in the economy, new technological innovations, institutional changes in the economy is considered as economic development. The progress of economic development depends on the country's economy development. It generally depends on the availability of quality and quantity of human resources. That means the progress of a country generally depends on that means economic development of a country generally depends on quality and quantity of human resources or labor force. Quality and quantity of labor force and quality and quantity of availability of natural resources availability of natural resources and accumulation of capital or capital formation and technological innovations. Technological innovations or improvements. Technological improvement. So these are the factors or parameters played an important role in the process of economic development of the country. The country's economic development generally depends on the following factors. What are the factors? Quality and quantity of availability of human resources or labor force. Quality and quantity of availability of natural resources. How can we utilize this optimum utilization of natural resources? By investing proper capital and utilization of human resources properly and implementation of technology in the process leads to the economic development of the country. That means human resources, natural resources, capital and technology, these are the factors played an important role in the economic development of the country. Okay. So now we are going to discuss about the 5 marks question. What are the main differences between economic growth and economic development? These are the factors which are played an important role in the economic development of the country is a general information. It's not comes under in our examination point of view. Okay. So in this class, it means we discussed mainly focusing on we are going to discuss on the examination point of view, what is economic growth, okay, what is economic development and differences between economic growth and development. So main differences between economic growth and economic development. Economic growth and economic development. This is the 5 marks question important in your examination point of view. The main differences between economic growth and economic development. What is economic growth? Already we discussed. It refers to real output of a country, increase in real output of goods and services in a country, in an economy. What is economic development? Increase in progressive change in the refers to progressive change in the socio-economic structure of a country. Second distinction between these two, it is a narrow concept. Economic growth is a narrow concept. Economic development is a broader concept. It's related to as per Hicks and Schumpeter, the term economic growth related to developed countries. It is related to developed countries, related to developing countries, related to developing countries. It is a single dimension phenomena, single dimension phenomena. That means only focus on the real output. It is a multi-dimensional phenomena, multi-dimensional phenomena. Okay, it is quantitative. It is a quantitative measure. It is a quantitative measure. It is quantitative measures. It is both qualitative and quantitative. Qualitative and quantitative measures. Okay. These are the key differences between economic growth and economic development. It can be measured. Another one, it can be measured. It cannot be measured. It cannot be measured. Another one, economic growth compared with the physical growth of a human body. That means economic growth means the physical appearance of a person is a economic growth. That means it compared with the physical appearance of a person compared with the economic growth. Economic development indicates both overall improvement, that means both physical and mental, physically and intellectually. It compared with the physical appearance, physical development of the person compared with the economic growth compared with the physical growth of a person, physical growth or physical development of the person. But here economic development compared with the both physical and intellectual growth of a person, physical and intellectual growth of a person. That means only physical appearance of a person compared with the economic growth, both physical appearance and intellectuality according to their physical appearance, according to age, according to personality, appearance, both physical and intellectual compared with the economic development, only physical growth compared with the economic growth. Okay. Another one, okay, it is a single dimensional, it is multi-dimensional. Okay, right. So these are the key main differences between economic growth and economic development. So once we are again repeating what are the main differences between economic growth and economic development. So economic growth refers to real output of goods and services in a country. It refers to progressive change in the socio-economic structure of a country. It is a narrow concept. It is a broader concept. Related to developed countries, it is related to developing countries. Example USA, example India and China. Okay, a single phenomena, okay, multi-dimensional phenomena. It is a quantitative measure. It is both quantitative and qualitative measure. It can be measured, that means in terms of GNP or GDP. It cannot be measured. Okay, physical development, physical growth of a person compared with economic growth compared with the physical growth of a person, economic development compared with the both physical and intellectual growth of a person. Okay, my dear students, these are the key differences between economic growth and economic development. These differences given by, that means the terms are, these terms are different given by Hicks and Schumpeter. Okay, this is important in your 5 marks question. Okay, 5 marks question point of view. Okay, this is the an important question. On 2 marks questions point of view, what is economic growth is important and what is economic development is important. In next class, we are going to discuss about the key differences, what are the characteristic features of developed countries and what are the characteristic features of developing countries with a special reference to India. Okay, thank you, my dear students.